With 200-mile-an-hour GT500s and 420 horsepower Coyotes, the 2013 V6 was often overlooked as a performance car. But these cars actually were great performers in their own right. I mean, off the showroom floor, you're talking 305 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque, and high 13-second quarter miles, equivalent to the Cobra only a few years earlier. Now, these cars are actually very affordable these days and can sound great and make plenty of power in their own right. So today we're going to install a custom MagnaFlow exhaust on this 2013 V6 convertible. This is MagnaFlow's Race Series axle-back exhaust system for your 2011 through 2014 V6 Mustang. It will be a direct replacement for the factory pieces made of stainless steel with mandrel bends and a MagnaFlow 4-inch polished tip. Now, this is basically a muffler delete, but there is some deadening in the tip itself to make sure the sound doesn't get away from you. Again, this is a direct replacement, and today we're going to install it on this 2013 V6 convertible. Since I honestly barely remember what a stock V6 sounds like, let's fire it up for some before shots. Not terrible for a stock exhaust, but we can definitely do better. Let's get started with the installation of our MagnaFlow. For this installation, you need a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, a 13mm socket, 15mm socket, and an exhaust hanger removal tool. We're getting the installation up here at the X-pipe next to the tailpipe. So what we're going to do is just loosen up this clamp here. Now, in some cars, I've had actually to remove the tailpipe. Most of the times, though, if you loosen the clamp, you get enough play that you don't have to. All right, now we're going to follow the tailpipe to the back of the car. Right here is the clamp that connects the tailpipe to the muffler. Okay, now we're going to separate the tailpipe from the muffler. Okay, we're going to go back here. We're going to remove the rear hanger from the insulator. And now we're going to work the muffler out of the two rear hangers. And remove it. With our MagnaFlow exhaust, we will have to reuse the original clamp. Now, it is tack welded on. It's welded to the pipe as well as to here. Now, there's a couple ways you can get it off. If you have a set of cutters or a cutoff wheel, you can simply buzz it there. But if not, you actually get a grip on it. If you kind of twist it a couple times, usually the metal will just snap. I'll begin the installation of the MagnaFlow by sliding it up into the original hangers. All right, now we're going to reinstall the original clamp. Now, we'll mention, if you did that twist-off method, just be careful because there can be some sharp edges left on here. Once everything lined up properly, we're going to tighten the bolts up front here where the tailpipe's connected to the X-pipe. You repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. All right, our axle back's installed. Now let's hear how it sounds. Immediately at idle, it's a lot deeper. That's a lot better than the factory mufflers. It's kind of deeper down low, gets a little rowdy as it gets higher in the RPM band. Definitely sounds really good with the 3.7. Like I Like I said before, the 3.7 liter V6 Mustangs are a very good performance value, and thanks to MagnaFlow, now it sounds more like a Mustang and less like a rental car. As far as the installation goes, figure about an hour or two. It's a typical axle back, and back on the road in no time.